was shared by Shravan, and I want you to clearly understand what are the requirements here, and then put a level of effort work on it. And I'm choosing you both here because you guys know the stuff as well. Not mean Ranjit doesn't, or Rahul doesn't, but maybe we could do another review of this tomorrow, because I'm not going to respond back to her tonight. Even I promised her in a couple of hours. I want to review this.
No. So we have to do analysis like at least one day. So you don't please provide like a wrong estimation, and don't put like it will start again from initially. Like you put developers pressure and QA will go and BS will go, and everyone have to sit like until 8 p.m. IST, CST.
That's okay. So let me just, I'm going to copy this email over here, the contents in this, and put it in a Word document or. So. Just
So Shravan, one thing like this email, right? So I don't think so. Like I mean, like this entire thing will come in the new user story, but today in the product owners was asking like some other one priority work, right? Some other
that renewal. That is getting impacted to the renewals, that is the priority. First priority is for the renewals. So in renewals, we need to ensure, like we will go through the flow once together. Let's start, like if Ahmed is done with the call.
Yeah, hold on. Just let me go there. Okay, so this is the document now. I'm gonna mark whatever is new over here. Anything that is new, we're gonna put a understanding on it, and see where we are with this. So let's start with this guy over here. User when landing on this page, the premium.
Omar, yes. I will take up from here. I will share my screen.
Go ahead.
I will take up from
go ahead, please. Yes.
So first thing, Naveen and Ranjit, so there are a couple of changes what we are going to see. Like first I'm looking into this initial code and edit code thing. So first I'm going into the initial code. Okay. In the initial code, ultimately the change, like whatever we have received in between from Ruth has told us that based upon total enrolling employees, right? So that thing is got changed. So here in this employer qualification screens, so you guys can see my screen, right? Okay. Here, here there is a coverage start date. So as for example, I'm updating for Feb 1 to 2023. That falls in quarter 1, right? Quarter 1 of this is the medical premium rate. This is first quarter. Okay. This will fall under first quarter. So I'm updating some numbers here. So for assuming just I'm updating total eligible employees. The total picture now carries through this field only, the number 3. Okay. So I'm updating 50 size here, 50 group size, and I'm giving 10 count of some 10 here, and group size is 10. So the premiums in the next screens, in the next coming screens, throughout the enrollment application, the premium should be calculated based upon this total eligible employees only. So let's make it count of, I'm going through scenario wise. So let's take total eligible employees updated as 50. And the enrolling total employees has given as equal to 10. Medical plan screen. Okay, so get a quote. We are not going to make any changes in these 2 pages. And in product selection also, we are not going to make any changes. The existing functionality remains same. In the next button here, so we landed in the medical plan screen. So what is the current functionality that is happening? If you guys remember, this 8,292.10 is coming from the total enrolling employees, right? That means 10. For example, let's take, where is the rate? Yeah. The plan is Bronze Premier P. Bronze Premier P is this one, right? And this is Suffolk County. I'm going to New York. So Bronze, the premium rate is 82.91. $82.2. Bronze Premier P. I gave total enrolling employees as 10 in the first page. So that is the reason it is getting calculated as 8291.10. Right? You are seeing it, right?
So this is current one, right?
This is current behavior.
Yes.
But the future behavior should be this column, total eligible employees.
50, right?
That means 50 is equal to nothing but 40,000 some number. Okay. When user landed on this particular page, this should be calculated based upon the employed tier only by taking the count of total eligible employees 50. This is same for dental and medical also. Understood? So what happens if we select the plan? So here the dental is not having, let me go to here. So this is the dental premium rate. So we do not see any group size here, but dental is having some group sizes. Okay. So once the plan is got added, it will come over here. We will select, we will give 1, 2, 3, 4, something, 12 or something. Okay. The medical is not having any impact. So the premiums is got calculated 21,694, and it's same. Similarly, particular as this group is not having any medical plans is not having any group size, the premium is getting calculated correctly only, right? Okay. But what happens when we move to the dental? Let me take this requirements here. So this is one portion where we have spoken. This is only the new thing. Once the plan is selected, will be moved to employee census that is existing. You don't need to change anything. Once the user update the contracts for selected plans, premium rate will be calculated based on the count. So that is also not existing. That is also existing. The premium for non-selected plans in the result section is based upon the total enrolling employees count from the census table, like total enrolling employees count from the census table. That is also existing, not a problem. Medical premium breakdown will get updated for non-selected products based on the count that updated for select plans. That is also fine, it's an existing. Here, this is the new one. So rate will be included in the premium breakdown in between tier and cost. The rates will be imported from the respective group. So for example, I'm just buying premium details. When you click on show details and compare plans, you will see the premium details. Upon clicking here, you see this tiers and cost, right? In between these, we should have one more column similar to cost. It should have rate. That rate is nothing but unit price. For example, let's take like this. I'm copying that. Here, rate. What is the rate? Employee only. Let's take here we have selected bronze plus, right? So bronze plus employee unit price is 829.21, and for employee plus spouse is 1658.42, and employee plus child is nothing but 1049.66, 2363.25.
So these Excel rate sheets we have to show here?
Yes. The Excel unit price sheet should come here. More or less what we are trying to say is like, this into rate is nothing but the cost of what we are showing here. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So more or less. 3 into, it will calculate 14,
yes.
9, and the total will come
428. 9, similarly, like these are the unit prices. These are the unit prices of what it is coming in the rate sheet. For example, as I selected effective date which is falling in first quarter, the premiums are calculated from this rate sheet. For example, if I selected a premium effective date which is falling in the second quarter, this premium should get it from the second quarter group rate sheet. Here, how you will capture it? So New York City, we have the counties. So if you having Long Island, Suffolk counties, the premiums are varying. So this should be combination.
Initially, when they start the flow, they will give you some county.
Yes.
Yeah, then we have to capture that, and based on that, we have to pull these rates. But
rates.
Yeah, so this is big change actually. So Shravan, yeah. So this needs to take into impact call and everything. We will go from there. Yeah.
So this is first requirement in the story. Okay. So if you think to apply this one for both medical, this is for only medical. How much time?
Shravan, you explained right. So this one is for edit code and initial code only.
Yes, for both initial and for renewal also.
So renewal also, how?
Renewal, there is another additional point is added there. Okay, so we do not have group size coming. Okay, group size and county details we can see. Let's see into the renewals now. So in this renewal flow, for example, if I take one example, any record, let's take the Seva restaurant group. We do not have the group size here displaying on the UI. This is in QA. So parallelly, can you guys check like where is this information gets stored in a Salesforce for this renewal quote number or client ID or something?
That is quote ID, right? That
client ID and this is quote number.
Yeah, this is quote and opportunity, renewal opportunity. 3.
Yes.
Okay.
If I click on this client ID, let's see if we have, because I need to inspect.
No, this one will go to BOB Shravan. So click on directly click on.
If I clicked on client details, I need to see that particular group size and county. Okay, here client address, New York, and this is the code. So we have the what you say, size. Postal code. Based on that county can be updated. Okay. I have the total number of subscribers and total number of dependents, but I want to see the group size numbers. So here, this is the 1001 Asia county, and I do not have the group size here in the UI. So will it get saved on the back end somewhere?
Not sure, Shravan.
Yeah, that inspection we need to do. Definitely, there will be some backend. The group size will be get stored.
Yes, it will store actually.
Here also, I do not see total number of subscribers, dependents, primary address, members, subscribers. This is all in enrollment information. But that group size we need to find out. Where is that? So that is one action item for our side. So we need to find out.
Based on group size, the calculation should happen, right, Shravan?
Yeah, in renewal also, based on the group size that has taken into consideration, and same thing, it has to be calculated accordingly in the select medical plan screen.
So the another change is in that
the another change is
we have
rate will be included in the premier breakdown. Rate. Naveen, you are also there, right? You are following me, right?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
This is one requirement. Rate will be calculated, and this premium based upon total eligible employees. And one more stuff is like, once this, where is this? Yeah. When the user by mistakenly remove this value here in this any of the field, but when the user clicks an update, current behavior is like the premium is changing over to 0.00. But what we need to do is like, consider the null value, blank value as 0.
So here, Shravan, so it will work actually like this, right? So 1, 2, blank, empty, okay? And
empty.
4. So the calculation should happen 7 and the premium should come. The empty one should as consider as a 0.
0.
Okay. So
the empty one should consider as 0.
Okay.
This is both for medical, dental, renewal, everything, wherever we have the census page.
Yeah, and I think Diana, right? She was saying that the decimal also, right?
Decimal now it is not there, but we need to ensure that decimal is also working.
No, decimal also having issue.
But it's not taking decimal. I checked it. It's not allowing decimal.
No, Shravan. So it's allowing means when we enter, right? When we enter like 1.5 in the premiums, it's showing as a premium breakdown. It's showing as a 1.5.
No. I checked it. I tried to enter it with the decimal numbers. It is not allowing me. It is taking whole number only. I think someone
if we enter 1.5, it's considering as a 1 only, right?
1 only. It is not coming as 1.5. Someone already, Venkat raised this defect and it is working like, someone worked on it, I guess. Here, this is the counting. Yeah. I'm trying decimal. No, it's not good. No decimal is allowing. Yeah. So you're clear, right?
So you entered, where you entered? Decimal?
Here.
Yes, enter here.
It's not allowing. You can see. I'm trying to type. I'm trying to type 2.8. Okay. Yeah.
Who will fix this? This is in quoting?
This is in quote.
Okay. In renewals actually. Okay. I got it actually. So this is what should happen in the renewal also, Shravan?
Renewal also same thing. This is the one which should happen.
Okay. So we should not allow them as a decimal.
Yeah.
Okay. So here one is group size, right, Shravan? And one is the new column we have to keep, and that rate sheets rates we have to show in the premium breakdown with the new column.
Yes.
Okay. So I think Umar, this one also like I think it's a more than like I think like 2 weeks of time. But I'm just estimating right now without seeing code. But when it comes to solution, I want to do it a proper proper development, not like we can do it in 3-4 days, but you will get it like 15 more defects.
No, I see. When you guys do an estimation, that's what I'm trying to get. You need to do estimation first of all on analysis and the plan how to do the.
Yes. Yes. First, it required 1 day analysis. So analysis I need. So
correct. So 8 hours is taken away by understanding what needs to be done. The second thing is meeting with the architect to make sure your approach is right in reference to understanding what needs to be done here, so you don't have an issue. Third,
so what we will do, like I think Shravan is creating a new story, right, for this?
Yes.
For only whatever that priority one you are going to create, Shravan? New story.
So my plan here is like I want to make sure like the story is further breakdown. It's not like previously we used to have much more details.
Much points, yes.
Yeah. So
we will take as a 4 or 5 points, which are priority one, and we can. It will be easy for everyone actually. Yeah.
Yeah. So what happens like this total eligible employees wherever it is impacting will be one story, and this rate portion will be one story, and this census details with 0 and decimals will be one story, and this message part will be one story, like that.
Okay. So the group size also one story, right, Swan?
Yeah, the group size is also one story. Let's break it down and make it shorter stories rather than keeping everything in one story.
Yeah,
it's
Thank you, Shravan. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, Umar. So I think it's better to take in the impact call also. As a developers, right? We will also get more what solution we will get from Debjyoti or other team members.
So we'll respond back to her tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah. So afternoon. Please, you stand by developer side. Don't you stand by BAs and developer side.
I do,
you
guys,
don't give any other commitments like saying that we can do it, we can finish it. Everything is possible, Umar, but it requires some time actually.
Time and resources, of course.
Yeah. So please, you stand by. You sit beside me and support me.
Ranjit, I will always, but at the same time, we gotta be rational, we gotta be professional, we gotta have ourselves do the due diligence work. Meaning, we have done the analysis properly, we have done the understanding of what this takes. We just can't say for a small change we're gonna take 5 days. Do the analysis right. Be comfortable with your level of effort. Give yourself another 8 hours. I don't mind. Depending on the change, of course, if you need more, that's fine. It's okay. But be 25% flexible with your time. Don't just give me 10 days and
no. See, Umar. So we are not following as a Scrum. So this is the reason the defects are coming. So these stories are huge, complex stories, Umar. This is not simple story.
Right, I know. We're not following the Scrum methodology. It's a hybrid. Some of it is
so initially we thought like Naveen can copy paste my code. So what happened like? That's breaking entire thing.
Work.
So, it will not work. It will not work.
Yes.
That is not robot. It will not work actually.
It didn't work. Yes. So this is one of the things that
Umar, so at least we need 1.5 day time. So I mean, like I'll do my part of analysis and so whatever Shravan explained high levelly, I got it. But I'll reach out to Shravan. I'll go through it, and then
I have one more point also, Ranjit and Naveen. So the one which I have explained is for the medical, right? The majority portion, the complex thing, is happening for the dental. Okay, because the dental is having a group size rates. Okay, the group size rates, like if you see the dental, we have the group size of 25 to 50, 15 to 24, 10 to 14, and 5 to 9, right? So medical is straightforward. For example, total eligible employees is given as 50. It will calculate the unit price from any, based upon the selected plan, and it will calculate. But for dental, what happens, for example, the group size is given 50. Okay, let me go to the screen. Yeah. Here in this flow, I gave the group size as 50. Okay, now if I give selected 1 here, okay, or 1 year, and if I click update, currently what is happening, we are not showing the premiums because you need to at least employ 2 employees to continue, but we have 50 eligible employees there. Okay, so 1 second, 2 employees, sorry, let's take 2. This is 2, is 1 is fine. Let's take 2 employees. I gave the total eligible employees as 50, right? Now what is happening, this premium is getting calculated based on these 2 count. Where is the 2 count for dental? This is 5 to 9. Let's go to 2. So group 2 is 21.14. This is first quarter for downstate counties. Let's take calculation. $39.14 divided by 2, 19.57. Here, see, I bundled.
I think this one is taking as a group. Yeah, this is bundle. Yeah, bundle one will come.
Bundle is 1957, so it is coming from the group 2. But the requirement is, as I have entered the eligible employees as 50. Okay, the group rate should not come from this group 2. It should come from this 50, 13.72. That means 2 into 13.72, 27.44. Here it should come as 27.44.
Yeah, so Shravan, like before, initially I mentioned, right, these ratings, whatever we are showing, we are not making any changes on these rates. So these have a rules, rates have a rules. So whatever you showed in Excel, right, this is worked by RTB team. Okay.
Yeah, let's talk to them in impact call analysis.
Yes. Yeah. So, I mean, like if required, if they suggest that, okay, you send this parameter and to send $27, so we can do it from our end. Okay. If they say like you're sending wrong parameter or wrong input you're sending, so then we can correct it. But if we are sending right one also, they are sending 39 means that's not our issue actually. But we can mention, Shravan, this one to the impact one. Hello. Yeah.
Sorry. So I just responded to Diana telling her that by end of the day tomorrow we'll provide to her level of effort.
So no, Mark, no, don't please. Still.
But end of day tomorrow, no. But end of day tomorrow we can't provide level of effort.
Okay, yeah, let's do it. I'll provide high level estimation.
Yeah, by end of day tomorrow, and we'll provide, like Shravan was saying, okay.
These all are new requirement, Umar. So
right. So not. I mean, we're not going to be working on all of them, but we just need to provide level of effort. This is, and we'll take our comfort with the level of effort, but be professional. We don't want to be. It's like anything that you do in life. You know, if you go to a mechanic and it says it's going to be $500 for changing a filter, you're going to say
no. I'm not saying like we can't provide estimation. So the process we have to follow that. So
exactly.
You are asking. So see, Umar. So how I mean, like the way of you how we went right now is like you guys are expecting like 10 days of work in 2 days, and that complexity of 10 days work you don't know, and 2 days you want, and you will get 20 defects.
No, Ranjit, no, I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting you to.
Yeah, we will follow that, Umar. Yeah. We will provide explanation. We will follow, but you please be on the developer side. So if you put pressure on developer side, it will start entirely until the production goes this code. It will impact for everyone for sure. I'm saying.
I totally understand, and I just want to make sure that you understand what exactly needs to be done, so you provide the level of effort. Otherwise, it's not going to work.
The QA guys are missing like a lot of things. So if we are doing hurry-barily, they are missing like few points, and it is capturing in pre-prod and production.
Yeah, that's exactly. That's why they're coming back to hunt us, because
so there is more defects, and we are in trouble actually.
It's okay. I mean, at least we catch those defects, because right now Diana is saying the wrong quotes are being given to their brokers. Help us. So I understand that. I know that I've talked. Shravan had showed you what needs to be done. Look at the email again, and we'll discuss tomorrow after the stand-up call together, to make sure we have a full understanding of what is needed to be done, what's the complexity, and then RTB call, we'll open questions and talk with them, and then we could decide what kind of response we need to give to the business tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah. Sean, do you have a few minutes? I'll call you actually.
Naveen, do you have any questions?
Yeah. Okay.
Naveen, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I'm good. Actually, whatever the stuff, and I've followed it, so that we can.
Okay,
one thing is we need to make sure we need to discuss with the RTB team clearly, so that we need to get clear clarification from the RTB team. If not, it's gonna be extended for a long time.
Right.
Yeah.
And again, I'm gonna email Kamal about this user addition, that so they could allocate some time for us to discuss. I know they don't have much on their plate, but I don't know.
Yes, Umar, you can bring these topics in impact call. So
yeah. I'll just make sure heads up for Kamal that we're gonna be discussing this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, thanks, team. I'll be in touch with you tomorrow. Have a nice evening.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.